Banyan Botanicals, Kitchari Spice Mix, 3.5 ounces, 99 grams. Product Overview. Description. Ayurvedic Cooking Essentials. Supporting your Ayurvedic lifestyle. USDA Organic. Non-GMO, illuminate your path to well-being. Certified Organic by New Mexico Department of Agriculture. Certified B Corporation. Kitchari is a delicious, thick soup that is beloved in the tradition of Ayurveda. Composed of rice, dal, spices, and other nutritious ingredients, it is extremely easy to digest, making it a staple of the Ayurvedic diet and the go-to meal for Ayurvedic cleansing. In fact, the protein content of rice and dal is an invaluable element of traditional Ayurvedic cleansing, able to sustain you throughout your cleanse without depleting you. Suggested use. How to make kitchari. Ingredients. 1 cup basmati rice. Half cup yellow mung dal. 1 tablespoon Kitchari Spice mix. 2 tablespoons ghee. 6 cups water. 1 to 2 cups chopped vegetables, optional preparation. Wash rice and mung dal and soak overnight. Drain soak water. In a medium saucepan warm the ghee. Add the Kitchari spice mixture and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Add rice and mung dal and sauté for another couple of minutes. Then add 6 cups of water and bring to a boil. Once the kitchari has come to a boil, reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover and cook until it is tender, approximately 30 to 45 minutes. If you are adding vegetables to your kitchari, add the longer cooking vegetables, such as carrots and beets, halfway through the cooking. Add the vegetables that cook faster, such as leafy greens, near the end. Add more water if needed. Typically, kitchari is the consistency of a vegetable stew as opposed to a broth. Garnish with fresh cilantro and add salt to taste, optional. Makes 2 servings. Other ingredients. Brown mustard seed, turmeric, mineral salt, cumin seed, ginger, asafoetida, fenugreek. Certified Organic.